Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the Workbench, making some garden markers. It's that time of year. I like to hand plane markers because they give me a smooth surface to write on. Using my old faithful woody, that feels like that's against the grain. That's better. Yep. See how nice and smooth that is? You can see the shine. That gives me something nice to write on. I know it's not an important project. Small little endeavor. I'll show you how I point them in a minute. I can use one more shaving over here. The wood I'm using is Hemlock. You could use any wood you like. I have found that it doesn't really matter. Hemlock will last a few years in the garden. A little bit more. If you wanted to use white oak, cedar, you can do that. This one's warped a little bit. Should play nice on this side. Or did I speak too soon? I'm not going to try to flatten them. They're just garden markers. But I do want them smooth. See, that's got a hollow right there. I don't know if I can get that out. One more pass. We'll call that one good. There we go. But hemlock is a very underrated wood. Trying to find the grain direction here. Against the grain. So if you remember from some of my earlier videos, the woody is a single blade. That's an old block plane iron, single blade, beveled down, wide open mouth. So for a task like this, I'd rather use a plane that I can sharpen real quick. This one too. This one's set a little finer. Over here some more. plane you like to plane with. Wow, I love that. I love that sound. I love that sound. Last one for this patch. It's got a knot right on the end here. One thing nice about the video lighting, it gives you something to hold your wood up to see if you've got things nice and smooth. See, I still have saw marks right there. And that's that. So, how are we going to point them? Well, there's lots of ways to do it. One way would be with a chisel. So you just put this in the vise and you whack the corners off. So that's a little tough because I have a knot in the corner and that's not my chisel hammer. The other way, put it in the vise, you take a draw knife, not the best one to demonstrate on, with that knot right there. But that's pretty much how I'm going to put the points on it. Now I could go to a table saw, miter saw, whatever we got. But right there, that's good enough. That's one. When you go using the draw knife, hold it at an angle. It'll be like shaving. Now I don't go to a razor sharp point. I leave a little bit of a blunt there. And that's good enough. So that's about it for today. I'm going to finish these up. It's garden planting time. I'm going to need these. If you have a shave horse, which I don't, making these would be easier because you'd be sitting there with your foot on the pedal. You don't have to open and close the vise. Head out to your shop. Go make some garden stakes. Good friend Walter, out.